and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, you are following me on Instagram, and you comment down below for any future videos that you would like to see. This video is all about what I eat in a day for fat loss. But before we get into this video, I do have a couple of disclaimers. Now, this video is related to my body, my stats, my goals. Another thing is this video is all about fat loss, and that means my calories will be on a deficit. Now, what that also means is if anyone is on a deficit, you should not be in a deficit for more than 4 to 5 weeks time. What happens is your body will start to plateau and you will not see the results that you want to see. I think a lot of people make the mistake of, oh, I want to lose weight, therefore I'm going to increase my cardio to a ridiculous amount, and then I'm going to decrease my carb intake, decrease my calories drastically. Your body will basically shut down, and that's not what we want. We want sustainability, we want health, and we want results. We do not want quick fixes, and it's as simple as that. This is an example video as well. Me, myself, I don't count macros, I do portion control, and I'm not on a fat loss journey. But I did want to make this video to provide as much information as possible. So without further ado, let's get cooking, and the first meal is breakfast. And what I'm going to cook today is 4 egg whites, not the yolk. Now, a lot of people are like, oh, why don't you have the yolk? The yolk consists of good fats, yes, but I want to have more slow releasing fats during the day and not have them all in the morning. So I'm going to have 4 egg whites. I'm going to have 1 fig for my fiber, 5 to 6 strawberries whole. I'm going to have 1 slice of whole wheat toast with some butter and jam as well. And that is going to be my breakfast. Okay, so this is breakfast. So my egg whites, my toast with some jam and butter, strawberries and figs. So now we're gonna have lunch, and what I'm making is a super quick and easy meal. And this is gonna be just 2 stuffed pita breads with some chicken, spinach, hummus and cucumber. So easy to make, and you know what, you can take these home with you to school, anywhere. Now, I'm not going to cook the chicken on camera because I don't want to offend anyone, of course. So I'm going to cook the chicken behind the scenes, and then I'll show you how I prep everything else. To cook the chicken in, I am going to be using coconut oil. You can use olive oil like I did for breakfast, but coconut oil has a good source of fats in, and I do want to get my fats in because fats are crucial to weight loss as well. For me, I always train during the evening time, so a bigger lunch for me is crucial. However, if you train lunchtime, I would advise you to maybe have a lighter lunch if you're someone who feels a little bit sick at the gym. So maybe 1 pita bread instead of 2, and then you can have the other one after you finish your workout. So it's all about splitting your meals and finding the right balance for you. I personally like a big lunch. I feel better and more energized during the evening. Lunch is probably going to be my biggest dense calorie meal of the day. So I'm going to cook it now. So me and Jack are on our way. We're gonna do a couple of things that we have to do, like run some errands, and sometimes it takes longer than expected when you're out and about and away from your house. So although I've had breakfast and lunch, I don't want to buy anything in case I get hungry. So what I do is I always like carry a shake with me, and this is from Women's Best. I haven't tried this flavor yet. It's actually like salted caramel pretzel, and I love salted caramel and I love pretzels, so I'm gonna see how this tastes. This has 25 grams of protein, 1.2 grams of carbs, which is amazing, next to nothing fat. So this is all about protein. Never ever have a protein shake simply as a meal. Really recommend having proper meals and then protein shakes to supplement your diet and to help you hit your macros. And yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. Okay, so I've just come back from doing all my bits and bobs with Jack. So I wanted a quick snack, and then I'm gonna go gym in like half an hour after I have this snack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, which is roughly about 9 to 10 grams of fat, but this is good fat. So as you can see here, 1 tablespoon. And then what I'm gonna do is, scoop that out. What I'm gonna do is chop up 1 banana. I know this is a strange way of peeling a banana, but just bear with me. And all I'm gonna do, cut up my banana and get simplest snack ever, some peanut butter on top, just like so. And that's my little snack. And then we're gonna have dinner. And now for dinner, I'm gonna make these enchilada kits, and I'm gonna have 2 wraps. So it's gonna be packed with chicken, peppers, just a very light sprinkle of cheese, like probably not any cheese at all actually, and onion. And you don't need to use chicken, you can use mixed kidney beans or whatever you fancy, but for me, I just fancy chicken. So I just calculated absolutely everything, and these 2 wraps will be 50 grams of carbs, 30 grams of protein, and about 8 grams of fat, which is pretty good, to be honest, for dinner. Okay, so I just like done my wraps and I stuffed one more than the other, but it is what it is. It's still going in my belly. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, what I eat in a day, and let me know if you want to see more food videos or more recipes. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Anyway, I love you always and forever, and bye.